You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, MASICKA respond to RYGIN King. MASICKA, this RYGIN King with just a cover art. All of that and more coming up. So people, MASICKA is set to release a song called HUMUNGOUS. You see me? And you don't know what HUMUNGOUS mean already. It mean big. It mean large. It means say yo, out of this world, gone a space. You see me? I say you know you're big. You see it? So people, I'm going to run down in case you know I live under a rock. So RYGIN King go on stage, go do an interview. Well, I never necessarily on stage, but I just a fast interview. On stage bring the story. And RYGIN King say him run last year. Him an artist for the year for 2018. You see me? So MASICKA reply and say, brother, slow down. Yeah, idiot, you are a big fool boy. You know no sense. Oh, you have to talk about say you are the artist for 2018. You see me? So that's how it really start. You see it? So now, me review a song for RYGIN King yesterday when release named Starlight. You see me? A Starlight? No, it named Star Life. You see it? So you can watch the review there and get a better understanding about the review there. You see me? But right now, MASICKA fi drop one song when named HUMUNGOUS. And people, me I tell you, the man RYGIN King, the most weird, the wickedest way in a just the cover art. You see me people? And me have to tell you know, me have to say big up Terror. Big up Terror here, brother. Because here one now, me not gonna be like some other vlogger where go some booms and cite something, but I don't necessarily you cite it. You cite it on a man page and forward come talk about it. You see me? Terror I show me a vibes and I say, yo, you know see what going right there, so the man this him in the thumbnail, you know. The man this him in the cover art, you know. So now me I go show you oh him this RYGIN King wicked. So yo, you don't know say RYGIN King is, well, me don't know if him is a part of the six, but in par with the six them. Him and the six them good. Him ever a big up the six them. You see me? And you know say the six them can consist of like Squashman and Chronicler. We sure say them a part of the six. We not really sure about RYGIN King. But either way, them good. And them him say six too. You see me? So it come like say MASICKA never know or what. Me not sure. Or probably MASICKA know more than me. You see me? So, when they on the cover art, right now, you see the cover art. And you might look on it and I say, but Chaddy, you know you're one big idiot, dog. You know see the cover art. Nothing wrong with the cover art, brother. The cover art just there. Nothing wrong with it. What you talk about? Oh, the man for this. You know see I just 3 bullets there on the cover art. And then, Terror say, no, dog. Pretty closer. And then I go so booms and start zooming on the cover art. You know see, the bullet will go towards like a little glass something. You see me? You know see a 6-hit mark. Now people, a which bullet you know fly in a glass and mark out 6. That must be a magic bullet. So, MASICKA must deliberately put that 6 right there. That means say them bullet they are go towards the 6. That means say this is going to be a direct this song at RYGIN King. People, you tell me in the comment section if you feel like say a fool in the me talking. But more want to look on it good. You see me? See the 6 there. See the 3 bullet them there. And the bullet them are go straight in at the 6 head. So we know say the war is on. MASICKA versus RYGIN King 2019, the war they on. But people, you know, when me want you tell me, who feel like I go win the war there? Who feel like I go forward out victorious in the war there? Because me nah put my mouth a wife y'all put mouth a ground and talk. That's why we nah do it. But we nah hide and talk. We are sure you say, yo, right now, me money dey on MASICKA. Me talk it multiple times. MASICKA, me money dey on. But people, only hope me not bet my money and I lose. We know, say, RYGIN King. No, we know, say, MASICKA can clash. We see MASICKA kill enough boy already. You see me? Right off people career. Make them done. Make people have y'all turn in a vlogger. A vlogger, me see some of them turn in a artist, that is. You see me? And right now, me see him a step towards a RYGIN King. But the thing is, we know what MASICKA capable of. We don't know what RYGIN King capable of. So, me I wonder if me just I go so booms and I bet my money in vain and I go end up lose. People want to tell me, tell me in the comment section. Don't afraid if you say, Chaddy, say, once you do it respectfully, say that mother something they outside. But if you say, Chaddy, say, you one big idiot, brother. At the wrong team, at the pan. Say, RYGIN King must slap out MASICKA head. Me don't know still. But the warrior interested. You see me? And the warrior highly anticipated. You see me? Me want the warrior. You see it? And people, yes, Clash good for dancehall. We can't take the bag of social media artists them. But anytime them have a beef, them ready for write a status. Or them ready for go up on live. You see me? Or them ready for tell something in them story time. No. A artist we know about. We want to see artists forward and tell an artist say, yo, say this and that and that and that. You want big fool idiot run away from you, so boy. Me I go bust a shot in your head. And them thing that we know about. Remember, Remember, we can't want to change the culture after Bounty Killer, after Ninja Man, Super Cat, and the whole of them set it for we already, And then Vibes Cartel and move out forward back and set it again, So all them artists here go on like say them no want clash. How what do them? Them are idiot. Clash can't forward out our culture. How what them a do? Them fi clash. And right now, MASICKA or RYGIN King, none of them can run from the warrior. Because I'm telling you this, MASICKA, this him in a one post, You see me? And MASICKA this RYGIN King, wicked in a one post. You see it? So probably this is a song to the follow post. So right now, if the song you drop and indeed is a big this, straightforward this for RYGIN King. You see anyhow him not answer back. He better him just pack up back him carry and carry down and mob it. People, who don't agree with me or who disagree. Anyhow, RYGIN King don't answer back this. He better him just pack up him things them. Stop go studio. Stop go stage show and everything. Just go invest the money because me know you make a good amount of money out of the business already. Just invest it in a your little farming business, brother. Farming is on the rise and is a good thing. Don't make nobody tell you nothing. You see me? Farming is a good thing. So just invest it in the farming. Jano Star. This would be big history. Because this would be the first dancehall artist. Make a next dancehall artist. Have to go take up farming as full time. And that are just my thoughts. You see me? Because, and none of them, are the same thing goes for MASICKA. If RYGIN King goes so boom, if him goes so booms and forward with a bad cover art there, and go on like say he want to grow on the clash, and just use be a subliminal, you see me? And the man boom back a direct shot in him head, and now MASICKA goes so booms and now answer, he better MASICKA just all pack up him career. Because me I tell him, MASICKA probably have more to lose than RYGIN King. You see me? And that's so it there. And that are my thoughts. I want to tell me in the comment section if a foolish me attack. You see me? And people, one next thing more want to tell me in the comment section, more want to really tell me a woof aside on the depend. You depend none of them side and you just say, yo, dancehall, me never business about a clash and me just want to hear some good this song. Or just want to hear some man I get this. Or uno depend MASICKA side. You see me? You depend MASICKA side or I roll with the 6 them. And I say the 6 is real out there. And a RYGIN King, I say, yo boy, RYGIN King, me I tell you, brother. Me I tell you, if you have forward against MASICKA, you have to forward good, brother. And me I tell you, MASICKA, don't sit down with your virgin them and I say this as a walkover. I want to use the clash with Tommy Lee and what name? Jamil. I want to use the clash with Tommy and Jamie. And no say, yo, you can't sleep. And sit down and say, yo, the artist, you want a little idiot artist. Me never meds not me just go in the studio. You see me? And forward out with something bad. No. I'm want to do the research. Because research is very important with clash. And not necessarily who have the baddest lyrics them, you know. Who can tell a man, who can eat you. I would have heard they go again. Because I don't want to go say recognizable, you know. Who can humiliate one artist in the wickedest way. And them normally are going to win a clash with a little bit of lyrics. And we don't know about artists bad, so them have lyrics. Anyway, this is the end of my review, you know. So I want to just tell me what you think in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, leave a like on the video if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.